Blue Mini XY Axis Adjustment Tutorial. Each Blue Mini undergoes rigorous testing before shipment. However, to prevent positioning deviations during logistics and transportation, testing and adjustment are necessary before use. The XY values are different for each laser machine. This video is for reference only. After placing the laser location bracket, position the laser positioning plate face up as shown in the video. Next, use the focal length rod to fix the focus. Attention! The position of the focal length rod is preferably below the arrow. It cannot be placed directly under the laser head, and the focal length rod cannot be placed in the middle of the positioning plate. After setting the focal length height, remember to take away the focal length rod. Click on Engrave, find Forward, and click it. Click Carve, and wait for the progress to complete. After the laser is completed, click Confirm. Remove the positioning plate and check for any misalignment. The positioning plate is graduated in 0.5 mm units. Taking video as an example, if the overall direction is shifted upwards and to the left, then the y-axis value needs to be decreased and the x-axis value increased. Click Tool, find the center, and you can then modify the x and y-axis values there. Because the x-axis is shifted to the left, the x-axis value needs to be increased to shift the overall axis to the right. The y-axis is shifted upwards, so we need to reduce the y-axis value to shift the overall axis downwards. After the modifications were completed, the new positioning plate was used for testing again. Check the position again to see if it has shifted. If it still has, you need to adjust it again. If the offset is very slight, you only need to fine-tune the corresponding value. When fine-tuning, it is recommended to adjust by 0.05 mm or 0.1 mm each time until it is centered. Once the position is centered, the laser machine can be used normally.